Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Khalil, and in today's video I'm gonna show you the steps on how to replace the battery on your Game Boy cartridge. The steps are very easy and you need simple tools to be able to do this on your own. Follow the steps, you won't have any issues. I'm gonna walk you through step by step on how to get it done. We're going to be using a special screwdriver to open up the back of the cartridge. Once you remove that screw, the top will slide off. Then you can go ahead and open up the cartridge and get to the battery. The particular battery on this cartridge is broken off. It's really bad, so it definitely needs to be replaced. I'm going to be using a regular solder gun, temperature around 400 to 450. And we're going to heat that point where it's connected to the game cartridge. So you just you can use a clipper or something, a tweezer, to hold the battery and heat up that point until the solder becomes loose, and then you can remove it. Once you are done with that, then we're going to get to the other part and heat up that area and remove whatever left from that battery. Then we're going to go ahead and replace it. The next step right now is to clean up the board with alcohol. Make sure there's no flux left on the board. Make sure it's very clean. Then you're going to align the battery. Make sure the battery, the positive and negative, is aligned correctly so you don't mess up the cartridge, and you want to make sure it's aligned correct and connected. Now you could use the existing solder that is in there unless you cleaned it with a wick. We're going to put a little bit of flux on either side. Then we're going to go ahead and start connecting the battery joints to the board. Once it's aligned and connected, then you can go ahead and use the solder just a little bit. You don't want to put too much solder because you want to make sure it's connected properly, and just a little bit just to hold it in place so it won't be loose. Once you are done with that, then we're going to be testing the cartridge and make sure it saves and the battery is good. Now the battery I used here is a little bit smaller than the one that is usually used with this cartridge. It will still work, but I would recommend using the right size battery. But that's all I had for right now to kind of get this fixed properly. So right here we're going to turn it on and we're going to run the game and make a save, then turn it off, then kind of test it and make sure it does save and with no issues. As you see right here, it did save with no issues. That means we did fix it properly. This is the end of my video for the day. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family, and I hope to see you soon. Have a great day.